Mangaluru, Minister for Health and Family Welfare UT Khader has said that those who have neither worked for the Congress nor supported it should refrain from commenting on its internal affairs. He stated that only party workers and voters have the right to speak about the party's decisions. Khader made these remarks while responding to recent demands made by Muslim leaders seeking greater representation for Muslims in the state cabinet. A group of leaders speaking under the banner of like-minded individuals had urged the government to consider ministerial posts for the community. He reiterated that only those who have supported the party should offer opinions on its functioning, adding that the Congress does not take direction from those who have opposed it politically. The minister also pointed out that minority communities are already represented in the government, citing leaders such as Zamir Ahmad Khan and others. He said that decisions on cabinet appointments are taken by the party leadership and the chief minister, and there is no need to politicize the issue further. On the Bidadi township notification issue, Khader questioned whether discussions between the chief minister and union minister can take place on the roadside, stating that the Vidhana Sauda is the appropriate platform for such matters. He also sought clarity on who issued the notification directly targeting JDS leaders. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.